Let's watch this video from this blog. You can find it on Comfy UI. I will share this link with you. It had shared all the Comfy UI and Flux context that you can change the images to its fullest. Character consistency is easy, editing a text is easy, editing an image, removing background, adding a specific part is easy. You can do much more with this context. We will explore it one by one in upcoming lecture.